Mr. President, I believe that our fellow Myanmar people inside and outside the country are following this meeting via webcast with high interest. Please allow me to speak few words in Myanmar. Minglava, Niko Baunama Miane, Tuijin Nino Dajimia Kamia, Mimiro Soyan Nere, Sida Anna Demu, Chachin Sontaye, Mimiro Gonzan, Do Aung San Suu Kyi, Tamraji Uwimine, Cha, Matiatin Kanya Taya Dumia, Chachin Lopeye, Nangano Anna, Pidu Tampiale Yashi, Democracy, Piale Yashi, Democratic Federal Piransu Titangye, the Yerobonji Almiego, Miro Alua Didima, Pidu Bidamia, Alo, Sisi Lolo, Nini Nyon, a Tudua, that way song in Nirago, to Jesu Denshibare, Sele, Song Dajabo Gole, Mita Yakan, Taitun Aparakamia, the Yerobo, Mocha Almiami Chepare, Pidu da Digava, Yerobo, Auyami. And thank you, Mr. President.